So
this is cool to see how it's actually done, huh?
yes. Oh yeah. So like this.
We got our front porch.
Oh nice.
Yeah, so they put the outside, or no, they probably put the inside off of the outside. The outside is what was here.
That's so cool. Look, it's all like chiseled.
So now,
So that's our front porch.
front door should be right here.
Yep. That's so cool.
This is where the stairs are going to be.
Oh, it's starting to rain.
Electrical going upstairs. So this is what's bringing power to the island right there.
Dang, that's our back patio.
Yep.
So this is where the sink will be. So essentially, like, this is the island. We're standing at it. It's so cold and rainy. I'm so excited. It already looks bigger with them doing all this stuff.
There's the vanities. Shower boxes. Shower and bathtub. Toilet.
That's so cool. Our bedroom feels tiny.
And there's septic. There's septic going out.
Oh, nice. That's so cool. Okay, let's go.
This is what they do with monolithic. They're going to pour over the plastic.
I'm so excited. That's pretty funny to like think about there being plastic in our floor.
I mean, it may or may not remain.
We got our foundation poured. This is so exciting.
Hey, look! Our front door!
My front door. This is how big
Front
it's
door is
gonna
going to be right there.
Yep.
And the front door.
Essentially, yeah, this would be a wall.
The front door. Oh no, he's coming. They're coming to dump it.
No.
What?
They're picking up trash over there.
Oh, they're over here.
Things have happened.
Is this whole thing on?
It's so funny how it keeps feeling bigger.
Yeah.
What?
There's a back door.
Oh, sweet.
See, they're coming over here.
No, they're turning around. That's a back door from this half garage or one car
So
garage.
looking at this now, it's like, oh yeah, the truck may not fit. I mean, it will. But
Is that our garage?
those are deep, man.
We have two garages.
Where's your
This is a garage and that's a garage.
That
three garages.
two garages.
Yeah, so this is what I believe the bottom of all the studs will go. They run into that.
Do you know where the stairs?
It is 3.
Where the stairs are
Stairs will
going.
be right here. Right here. The stairs will start over there. So you come in the door and it'll be stairs like at the other house, right? Yeah.
No, not that close.
Yeah, but I mean they'll be like here, That'll be mommy's office there, or the workout room. And then there'll be a doorway here.
So it's so flat, Mama. That way?
Yeah.
Hey, just like our house.
And then it's totally open. You can see off the stairs into the living room. And then there'll be a wall.
I'm so excited about our back patio.
There'll probably be a wall like here.
Pretty big.
Is where it'll wall off up there.
The back patio is pretty big.
Yeah.
Yep.
And
Things
then
are happening.
what? How?
Mama, our stuff is happening so fast.
It's funny that they just put them in like that. Like not even, they didn't even square them up.
What are those?
I think they're just the basins where the drains will be.
Oh.
For the bathtub and the shower.
Oh.
There's a tub here, which will have water on this side, so the spout will be here. Tub will go that way. And the shower stall's right there. That's the middle of. This is the middle of a shower stall.
So funny, Art. Like, it feels so
This is-
tiny.
This is
Mama,
the
look.
toilet.
It's just the sink.
Yeah.
Toilets.
We're having
This
two.
is a sink drain. That's a toilet drain.
We're having two sinks.
This is
We're having two sinks.
the vanity in the downstairs bathroom. This is the bathroom. This is the toilet. And this is
Is that the fridge?
refrigerator. But there's drains here.
Can I
Oh,
hold
wait.
it, Mama?
No.
Washer dryer, right?
Washer dryer.
Oh, okay.
That's over here.
Yeah, the pantry and the washer dryer is over there.
Yeah, because over right here somewhere is gonna be where we walk in.
This is Mommy's.
Yeah, it's like right here.
So right here is your office?
No,
I
there's,
think probably a door right here.
Oh, I see where it is now.
Because you come in the bathroom.
oh no, it's pantry. It's pantry and laundry room.
And then the bathroom is entered from the other side.
Yes.